Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is Introduction to Trigonometry, and in previous class we take and solve some important question based on trigonometric ratios like sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosec and con. Okay. Now in today class we take and solve some other important NCERT question based on introduction to trigonometries. Okay, so please just students concentrate on these questions because of these questions are very important for you and your upcoming examinations. So let's see this one. We have very important question of your NCRT, and your question is in triangle OPQ, right angled at P. Right angled at P. OP is equal to 7 centimeter. OP is equal to what? 7 centimeter. OQ minus PQ. OQ minus PQ. OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. Find the values of sin Q and cos Q. Sine of angle Q and cos of angle Q. Now let's see its solution. Okay, dear students, this is the question here. This is very important question. Let's see once more time. Your question is in triangle OPQ, right angled at P. Right angled at P. Okay, and another value is given as OP is equal to 7 and are very important relation given that OQ minus PQ. OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter. So what is the process to solve that type of question? So dear students, first of all we draw a right angle triangle OPQ and right angled at P. Let's see. So first of all we draw a right angle triangle OPQ, right angled at P, OPQ and right angled at P. Okay, so we measure the angle Q because we find the value of trigonometric ratios of for angle Q, means we find the value of sin Q as well as cos Q, means we mention that angle. This is angle Q. Okay, and we find the trigonometry ratios for angle Q. Okay, so we find the trigonometry ratios, mean we find the values of trigonometry ratios for angle Q. Okay, now if we measure the angle Q, then the side opposite to that angle, is what is perpendicular. So that is your perpendicular, dear students. This is your what? Perpendicular. Perpendicular, and you know that the side opposite to right angle is always your hypotenuse. So this is your hypotenuse, and then this is your base. Okay, so it is clear, everyone? Okay, now what is given? First of all, you write given value. Given is what? OP. The distance OP is 7 centimeter. OP is what? 7 centimeter. The distance OP is what? 7 centimeter. And a very important relation given is what? OQ minus OP. OQ minus OP and OQ minus PQ, na? OQ minus PQ is equal to what? 1. That is, we can write OQ is equal to PQ transfer that side 1 plus PQ. 1 plus PQ. And from figure, the value of trigonometry ratios of angle sin and cos for angle Q is what? That is from that figure. So sin Q is equal to what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. perpendicular upon hypotenuse ना, तो perpendicular is what? This is OP and hypotenuse is what? OQ. OP upon OQ is the value of sine of trigonometric ratio of sine for angle Q, and cos of Q is what? Base upon hypotenuse. Base is what? PQ, and hypotenuse is OQ. So this is the value of sine of angle Q and cos of angle Q. So in this way we find the OP is always given as, we just find the value of OQ and PQ. Now let's see here. So from there, dear student, we have OQ is equal to this. Okay. Now, and OP is given. Okay. Now we apply the Pythagoras theorem. Now, in triangle OPQ, we have hypotenuse is what? OQ. So we write as OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. OP square plus PQ square. Okay. Now we put the value of OQ. The value of OQ is what? We put as 1 plus PQ whole square is equal to OP square, right, as it is. And the value of OP is what? The value of OP is what? 7. So we write 7 square plus PQ square. Now we simplify them. A square plus B square plus 2A means 2 PQ is left. 7 7 is 49, and this is we write as PQ square. Now PQ square is what? Cancel to each other. Now this is 2 PQ is equal to 49 plus transfer that side minus 1, that is what? 48. Thus the value of PQ is equal to 48 upon 2 to the 4 to 4 the 8, that is the value of PQ is what? 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter. And OQ is what? So that is the value of OQ. The value of OQ is what? 1 plus PQ, that is 1 plus 24, that is 25 centimeter. In this way, dear student, we find all the values which we required. So now the value of sine of angle Q, we put the value of sine of angle Q is what? The value, we put the value of OP and OQ. Okay. So the value of OP is what? The value of OP is 7. And the value of OQ is what? The value of OQ is what? 25. So the value of sine of angle Q is 7 upon 25. This is the first answer. And second is what? PQ. The value of PQ. The value of PQ is 24. So here we put 24 upon 25. This is another one. Okay, this is another one. So in this way, using that concept, you can solve that type of question, because this is one of the most important question of your NCERT exercise. So please do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on trigonometric ratios for right angle triangle. Okay, now we take and solve some other important question of your NCERT exercise. Let's see. We take some other important NCERT question. The question is, in triangle PQR, right angled at Q, right angle at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter and PQ is equal to PQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Find the values of find the values of sin P cos P and tan P and tan of angle and tan P. This is the question here. Okay. Now, this is also a very important questions related to that topic. So let's see its solution. So first of all, same here we draw right angle at Q. Right angle at Q na, so here we draw P Q. This is right angle at Q. Okay. So this is your hypotenuse. This is base, and this, we mentioned the angle P. We find the value of tan P. Now let's see. PQ is given as 5 centimeter. Okay. PQ is given as now, and PR plus QR is equal to 25 centimeter. That is the value of PR is what 25 minus QR. Now we apply the Pythagoras theorem. So PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square, same as previous question. Now we have the value of PR is we put as 25 minus QR square is equal to PQ is what 5 square plus QR square. Now we simplify, then this is A square 625 plus B square QR square minus 2AB 50 QR. This is 25 plus QR square. So Q square Q cancel to each other. So now we transfer that side. So plus 50 QR is equal to 625 minus 25. Okay, means what? This is 600. Now the value of QR is equal to 600 upon 50. 600 and 50 0 cancel to each other. So 60 upon 5 12. So value of QR is equal to 12 centimeter. If the value of QR is 12 centimeter, then from that relation the value of PR is equal to 25 minus 12. That is 13 centimeter. So in this way, PQ is what? 5 centimeter. PR is what? This is 13 centimeter. And QR is what? 12 centimeter. Now, what I do, dear student? So in this way, using that concept, means using Pythagoras theorem, we find all the required sides. Now, from figure sine of angle P. Sine of angle P is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is what? This is 12. Hypotenuse is 13. So 12 upon 13 is the first answer. Cos of angle P means what? Base upon hypotenuse. So base is your 5 and hypotenuse is what? 13. One answer is that. Okay, and tan of angle P. Perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is what? 12. Base is what? 5. So this is another answer. So in this way, dear student, you can solve that type of question. This is one of the most important question of your syllabus. So please, dear student, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that, you can solve each and every question of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay, this is very important. Now we take and solve some other important question of your NCERT exercise. Let's see. Now we take and solve a very important question. We take and solve some other important question of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Let's see, dear friend. This is very important question, and your question is, if angle B and angle Q, if angle B and angle Q are acute angles, such that sin B is equal to sin Q, then prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. This is a very important questions related to your topic, your chapter. Okay, now, so what is the process to prove that questions? So dear student, for that question we draw two triangles. One is we draw two right angle triangle ABC and PQR, and angle B and Q are acute angles. Acute angles means that less than 90. You know that very well. So firstly we draw two triangles ABC and PQR. Let's see. So firstly we draw two triangles ABC and PQR. Okay. So here let's see its solution. We draw two triangles ABC in which angle C is equal to 90 degree, and triangle PQR in which angle R is equal to 90 degree, and angle B and angle Q are what? Acute angles, means less than 90. It is clear, everyone? From that diagram we can say that we draw two triangle right angle ABC and APQR in which angle C is equal to 90 and angle R is equal to 90, and we mentioned that angle B and angle Q both are what? And both are acute angle. Okay, now what I do, let's see. So we draw two triangles. Now we find sine of angle B and sine now from triangle ABC we find sine of angle B. Sine of angle B is what? Sine theta, you know, sine of, we measure that angle. So this is your perpendicular, this is your base, this is your hypotenuse. So sine of B is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, means AC upon AB. Take equation number 1. And from triangle PQR, sine of angle Q, again this is your perpendicular, this is your base, this is your hypotenuse. So sine of Q is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is what? PR, and hypotenuse is PQ. We take equation number 2. Okay. So in this way, from the help of triangle ABC and triangle PQR, we find the value of sine of angle B and sine of angle Q. Okay. Now it is given that since sine of angle B is equal to sine of angle Q. Okay, thus using equation 2, तो sine of angle B is equal to what? AC upon AB, and sine of angle Q is equal to what? PR upon PQ. This is using equation 1 and 2. Using equation 1 and 2. Okay, we just put the values of sine of B and sine of Q. Okay, now what I do, let's see. So we have AC upon PR is equal to AB upon PQ, and we let us take that value is equal to K. Say we says that AC upon AB is equal to PR upon PQ is equal to K. Okay, now we apply the Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras property for in triangle ABC as well as triangle PQR. Now using property, ठीक है, now using property AB square is equal to, this is your hypotenuse, तो AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square, and for triangle PQR is what? PQ square is equal to QR square plus PR square. Okay, now this one from there BC, so from there this is BC square is equal to what? This is AB square minus AC square, so the value of BC is what? Under root AB square minus AC square, and similarly there this is QR, this is here from there, this is QR square is equal to, this is PQ square minus PR square. So from if remove that square, you are to in that side square root PQ square minus PR square. So in this way we find the value of what? Value of side BC is what? Square root AB square minus AC square, as well as we find the side QR, this is PQ square minus PR square. Now, so in this way, dear student, okay, now we dividing them. Now so now from there, let's see. Now we find the value of BC upon QR. So BC upon QR is equal to, the value of BC is what? Under root AB square minus AC square upon the value of QR is what? That is PQ square minus PR. Now we put the value of AB is what? Put the value of AB is what? Let's see from there. So from there, dear students, we write as, from there, let's see once more, we can write AC upon PR is equal to AB upon PQ and is equal to K. So from there AC is equal to what? KPR, and AB is equal to KPQ. Okay, from there we can write now. This is, we transfer that side, so we write AC is equal to KPR and AB is equal to KPQ. Now here we put the value of AB. So the value of AB is what? KPQ. So here this is K square PQ square. Now minus AC. The value of AC is KPR. So this is K square and PR square. Now in denominator PQ square. So PQ square we write as it is PQ square, and PR write as it is PR square. Now here we take K square as common. So we take K square as common, so we get PQ square minus PR square. Okay, and in denominator we write as PQ square minus PR square. Now in numerator we take K as common, so BC upon QR is equal to K take as common, and under root this is PQ square minus PR square, and same as in denominator as PQ square minus. Now these are cancelled to each other, so this is what K. This is what K. Now thus we, this is equation number take as 2 and this is take as 3. Now using because of here AC upon PR and AB upon PQ are there na, then using 2 and 3 we take as 3 here, 1 2 already taken as in start, so 3 and 4. So now using equation 3 and 4 we have what we have. This is A, this is also equal to K and this is also equal to K. Thus we have what AC upon PR is equal to AB upon PQ is same as BC upon QR. BC upon QR. That is, you know that by the concept of similarity, two triangles are similar to each other. In which condition? If and only if and only if their corresponding sides are proportional to each other. Their corresponding sides are proportional to each other. Thus, we can say that we have to show that their corresponding side means AC upon PR, AB upon PQ, and BC upon QR. Thus, we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Triangle. This is the concept of similarity. And now look, if two triangles are similar to each other, then also their corresponding angles are also equal. That is, angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Hence proved. Hence proved. Because of we have to show that angle B is equal to angle Q. Dear student, this is one of the most important question of your syllabus. So please, dear student, do more and more practices of that type of question. Let's see once more time the concept of similarity is what. Two triangles are said to be similar to each other if their corresponding sides are proportional and their corresponding angles are also proportional. So in that question we have to show that their corresponding sides are proportional to each other, means AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, and AC upon PR. So if their corresponding sides are proportional, then that triangles are similar to each other, and if they are similar to each other, then their corresponding angles are also equal. This is the concept of that. Now we have to write angle B is equal to angle Q. So please, this is very important question. So dear students, first of all revise that question and do more and more practices of all the question of your NCERT exercise. Okay. Thus, dear students, in this way in today's class we take some important question of your NCERT exercise. So please just do more and more practices of all the question and complete your NCERT exercise. Okay, now in next class we take and solve some other important question related to that chapter. Now thanks to all.